this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Data Analysis Toolpak in Excel to get descriptive statistics for a variable. I'm going to start by selecting the variables phone time and phone type and copying this data into a new worksheet. What I want to do is I want to compare the phone time for iPhone and Android users. To do this, first I need to sort my data. So I'll highlight the two columns, I'll go to Data, Sort, and I'll sort by phone type. Now you can see all of the Android phone times are at the top and the iPhones are below. Next I'll create two columns of data. So I will call one Android and one iPhone. I will take all of the phone times from the Android column and paste it, and then I will take all of the iPhone times and paste them below iPhone. Next, you will have to ensure that you have the Data Analysis Toolpak enabled in your computer. Follow the separate tutorials for how to do this on both a Mac and a PC. If you've already enabled the Data Analysis Toolpak, then if you go to the Data tab, you will see the option for Data Analysis. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to choose from the list Descriptive Statistics and click OK. My input range here are the two columns of data I just created, Android and iPhone. This data is grouped by columns with the labels in the first row, indicating that I have these headers, Android and iPhone. For my output range, I'll select that the data goes right next to where I have my two columns of data, and then I need to tell Excel what I would like, and so here I would like just the summary statistics, and then click OK. You can see here that Excel provides a lot of information for both the variables very quickly. So this is a very efficient method of getting descriptive statistics. If I were going to present this in a table, I could pick and choose which are the important pieces of information to present to my audience. The only things that this method does not produce that are commonly used are the quartile values and the interquartile range. So I'll calculate these separately. The way I do this is using the formula, which starts with equals, and then quartile, and I'm going to do the exclusive quartile, so the first option here. For array, I'll just select my first column of data, Android, and then I will do this to get the first quartile value. So I will type 1, close my parentheses, and hit enter. So my first quartile value for Android is 4. To get the third quartile, I'll repeat the process, but select the third quartile value. Remember that the second quartile value is the median, which is already provided. To get the interquartile range, I'll take the difference between my Q3 and my Q1. To add labels, this is quartile 1, quartile 3, and this is my IQR, my interquartile range. I can repeat this process for the iPhone users as well.